Welcome back to Just Drive It. There's Judah in his 1963 Ford Fairlane that he called Ramon. Come along with us. Just a little backstory on this car. This car was bought for $560. Ran and drove. Now it does, as you will see, have some cancer on it, and this will be addressed starting this year. There's other issues inside, where it's the floor pan, which he's got to go around to the other side of the floor. We're going to be addressing the floor pans on this, which we have a bead roller, a metal brake and stuff, and it may even include some of those. But on that side specifically, you can't see it too well, but there is some rust out there. And then back here in the back seat, there's some rust out. This thing has been a catch-all for a little while, so we'll get it taken care of. The suspension is actually very good on this car. It's way better than what was on the 65 Fairlane, but we still may address some of that. But one of the first things I want to address on this car is the single pot braking system. I want to go to a dual braking system for this thing. So that's one of the things we'll address. The other thing we have to address is, even though this head was just redone, I didn't cut it enough. This is actually a cylinder head off of a 200 straight six instead of a 170. So even though it gives you a better airflow because of the way the intake is, I ran into the problem that I didn't cut it enough when we decked it down. When you go from the shim style head gasket to the new current ones, you've got to deck it between 40 and 50 thousandths. Well, I only went 50 thousandths, and I needed to go, when I went to this one, I needed to bring the compression or the combustion chamber size down to where it needed to be, so it still needs another 40 thousandths taken off of that. Otherwise, this is staying a 170 straight six. It is a 3-speed on the column, manual, so it's a 3 on a tree, and we have stuff that we definitely need to do to it, but this young man right here has got to do his own work. I'll help him, but as you can see, we were just recently checking the compression on it to confirm our suspicions about too low compressions for it to run.
Only 4 years.
It's been sooner than that. But I do love the fins and the look of this thing. Now, there are areas that he's going to have to address, such as right here and right here, but it'll all be good. So, if you like this car, and you like what we're doing, please like, subscribe, rumble if y'all on Rebel, comment. If you want to see this kid here, ooh, okay. Maybe on this side?
Yeah, that's better.
This kid here, doing some work on his own car.
Trying to fix it.
Then we'll get around to it. Just drive it.